Okay, hi guys, so Clara and I are here with you today. We're going to teach you how to make fake snow. It's one of my favorite activities. Have you done this before, Clara? No? First time? Alright, well, same thing as we always do. Why don't you grab our Wonder Connection kit there, open it up, and let's see what you've got in there. Okay, so first thing that I want you to do is grab your 6 cups over there and just separate them and put them out in front of you. So now we need a little bit of water. So maybe we can do this together. Let's pour a little bit of water into each one. And stop there, good. When I make Insta Snow like this, I like to make it lots of bright colors. Does that sound cool? You gonna help me with that?
Yes.
Okay, so here are your color tabs. Can you open those up? And then just put one in each of those front cups. There we go. Alright, let's show everybody what that looks like. Okay, so you can see that our color tabs have really started dissolving nicely. So Clara, why don't you tell us what colors have we got now?
Yellow, blue, red.
But there's a lot of other colors, right? And in fact, like one of my favorite colors is in there. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna try and make a few other colors by mixing them.
Red, yellow,
Blue. So we got a lot of colors. Do you think we're ready to make some snow? I'm gonna take some snow powder. And I'm gonna ask you to just put your hand up like that. I'm gonna put just a little bit right there so we can see it. Alright, what color snow do you want?
purple.
Purple. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of purple. I'm gonna squirt it into your hand. Watch what happens. Isn't that cool? Alright, now dump that into your bowl. Do you want to make some now?
Yeah.
Okay, so take your snow powder and just sprinkle a little bit. You can take the whole cup and just sprinkle it into your bowl like that. And now just with your pocket, just keep adding any colors that you want.